fade. We don't need to be afraid. Every pulse a gentle thread to the place where dreams are fed. Burling still, burling slow. Let the morning start to grow. In the silence we appear, but the feeling stays right here. Floor is empty, lights are dim. Bass is moving on a whim. Hi-hats shuffle like a breeze, drifting through the memories. Keep it steady, keep it playing. Let the rhythm ease the pain. Every step is soft and slow, where the hidden rivers flow. Silent beats, silent air. Nothing heavy, nothing rare. Every kick, a gentle knock, opening a silent lock. Filtered voices come and go, like the leaves and falling snow. Every sound begins to melt in the warmth that I have felt. Let it rise, let it fall. We don't need to have it all. Every second starts to breathe from a place we both believe. Silent beats, silent air. Nothing heavy, nothing rare. In the groove, we disappear, but the stillness stays right here. Hold the space. Club is closing, lights are low. Bass is where the heartbeats go. Speaker hums a lullaby underneath the fading sky. Keep it gentle, keep it mild. Let the rhythm be a child. Every breath the final dance in the quiet of the chance. Last breath, last light. Let the darkness hold us tight. Every tone a soft release, bringing everything to peace. Cables hang like sleeping vines. Time unwinds and redefines. Every echo starts to fade in the bed that we made. Let it go, let it be. We don't need to count to three. Every pulse a gentle stroke on the water, on the smoke. Last breath, last light. Let the darkness hold us tight. In the groove we disappear, but the feeling stays right here. forgives. And deep house phantom, deep house ghost, I'm holding the rhythm I want the most. Deep house phantom, deep house shade, the speakers are burning, the memories fade. The jazz chords are fingers on a wounded chest. A stranger is moving without any rest. My shadow is tangled in cables and wires. The side chain is pulsing like funeral pyres. Deep house phantom, deep house ghost, I'm holding the rhythm I want the most. Deep house phantom, deep house shade, the speakers are burning, the memories fade. Night is a loop that I cannot break. I'm feeding the silence, for goodness sake. Phantom groove, phantom groove. Feel the shift. Speakers rest, the cable's cool. Morning light begins to pull. Bass is fading to a thread. Every word remains unsaid. Keep it easy, keep it wide. Let the quiet be our guide. Every breath a softer call as the night begins to fall. Morning comes without a sound. Music still beneath the ground. Every kick a gentle knock. Time dissolves around the clock. Empty floor, a single chair. Shadows floating in the air. Filtered echoes start to fade in the peace that we have made. Let it linger, let it leave. We don't need to count or grieve. Every second starts to